Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing?
Pretty good here.
And welcome to the channel. Today we have an exciting unboxing.
Very exciting.
We needed a new indoor-outdoor thermometer for the garage. Our other one
was
died.
possessed.
So we went to Lowe's today or the other day, and we bought this. So we're going to unbox this thing, and then we're going to install it outside. And we're going to see how it works. So let me sit you guys down here and we'll show you. All right, we've got the, what is this thing called? The Acurite weather station with color display. This cost $49.99 at Lowe's. So let's figure out how to open this. It says here, easy. 1, 2, 3 setup. Install batteries, select time zone, and place the sensor. You guys can see that there,
That's
maybe?
what the other one said too, didn't it?
Yeah, so let's...
How long did it last? A couple years?
See about getting
Before it got possessed?
Getting this thing open. That could be a chore within itself, I guess.
Wow.
Oh.
That was actually easy.
Not too bad.
I'm
We
impressed.
have an instruction manual.
My gosh, it's
Instruction manual.
booklet. Like there's two.
Hopefully we don't... Yeah, no,
One
probably
is
the
in,
language.
One's in French.
Ajuste deluxe de fondo.
Yep.
I don't know what that means. We'll go with this one if we need it. So let's set that aside. I noticed there are actually screws in the back of this. So
Wow.
it's not easy 1, 2, 3. You do need a screwdriver to take these screws out. So I just happened to be near some. So let's take these screws out of here. You might even be able to do it by hand. I don't know. That's one. That's two. So we've got those out. Oh, here's the back of the box in case you're interested. All right, so we have set it free, I guess.
Can you pull it out? Pull the plastic off.
Let's turn that camera down a little more so they can see my struggle. There we go. There's the unit. Ooh, and it came with a bug. Ew,
Ew.
that's gross. A little bug get down in there. Just tiny little bug, but looks like a mealy worm kind of. I don't know what it is.
Mealworm?
Let's continue destroying the box to get it open. This is what we want. This must be the sensor and the batteries.
Yeah.
I don't know. Get rid of that.
At least the sensor.
Oh, tape. I knew I'd need a knife. There we go. Let's open that up. Close this so I don't cut myself, as I am apparently prone to do. And yes, look at that. We have some sort of a
Stand?
hanger. I don't know what this is for.
No. But no, it's for this. It's a stand.
Oh, it's a stand. Look at that. She's so smart. So you could stand this thing up if you wanted. You'd do that, and then it would stand. We are going to hang it on the wall, so garbage.
Is it wall hangable?
It is. It has a little hanger here back on the thing, and then here's where the millions of batteries go, I guess.
Yep.
Here's the remote sensor that you put outside somewhere. Wow, there's a plug. So I'm guessing you probably...
You could plug it in as
You could
opposed to
plug
use the
this in.
battery.
Do we have a free plug over there? She's going to go check and see if we have a plug. I would prefer to plug it in if we could.
There are the plugs underneath the thingy there.
Well, why don't you unplug something and we'll...
Why? There's like a whole bunch.
Oh, we have a whole bunch of plugs. That's scary. So we'll stretch this sucker out.
Well, don't get it all knotted up.
Well, yeah. That's a great idea, honey. Let's not knot it up. Good luck. Okay, there we go. We have miles and miles and miles of cord, so that'll be fantastic. Now, you do notice they put little pictures on here for you, and it's a nice, vibrant color. It'll be interesting to see if the display looks as good as what their pictures do.
Yeah, really.
So let's pop those suckers off. There's the display without it. There's the other one. Of course, we don't have it plugged in yet, so. All right, now we have, there's supposed to be batteries somewhere. Did you see batteries?
I did not.
Oh, apparently we have to provide our own batteries.
Oh,
So,
do we have any?
we need batteries.
After all of that.
Do we have any? I thought I had some out here. If not, I'll have to go in the house and hopefully find some batteries. All right, well, we're going to pause you right there for a minute while we track down some batteries. Be right back. All right, I have located a couple of batteries. Now, back to the instructions. Install batteries, select time zone, place sensor. That's how we're going to do it. So we're going to install the batteries. Okay, they're on the sensor. Ooh, there's that bug. Let's get rid of that sucker.
Yeah, it's flicking on me, why don't you?
Okay. Okay, that doesn't fit on there very good. I hope that's watertight.
Yeah.
It is going to be outside, right?
Yeah.
All right, we have the batteries in. Now, we're going to go over here and hang the thing on the wall and plug it in.
Well, before you hang it on the wall, all your options buttons are on the back. You have to select time zone and...
Oh, okay. Well, let's go over to the wall and plug this thing in. I'll take the little sensor with us in case we need that. I don't know. Put all my junk away. Grab the sensor. Grab you guys, and we're going to head over here to the wall. It's going to hang right there on that nail. You see that? So.
Oh, they get to see my lovely calendar.
Yes, your hog calendar.
I love my
Plug
cookies.
back there? No.
It's back there.
How do you got so much crap plugged in there? I don't know.
There's two things.
Hold on a minute, we have to do some rearranging. Okay, we're back. We have the plug plugged in, and now we're going to initiate the thing here. So we'll plug that in. There we go. We're plugged in. Ooh,
oh, look at that.
Look at that light up.
Ooh.
Hopefully camera does it justice. I don't know. So now we have to do some kind of settings.
That would be on the back.
I'm not sure how we do that, so we're going to pause you for that. There's a little settings thing back here. I'm not going to bore you with that setup. So let me do that, and then I'll be right back. All right, we figured it out. We have it on the wall. It actually set itself. You just give it a couple minutes, and it figures out where it's at and does its own thing. Didn't actually have to do anything as far as the settings go, so it's just well hung. Anyway,
nice.
We're going to go outside and place the sensor now. I will turn the camera over to Krista so she can film while I do that, because I can't hold this both. So if you want to take the camera, dear. And it's going to be rather windy outside, so hopefully my little fluff ball on top will cut some of that down, but I'm guessing you're going to get a lot of wind anyway.
You might, because it is windy today.
Here you go. Let's see, I need this, the sensor.
You do.
And
have you turned it on? Or is it already on?
It's already on.
Okay.
I need some wire. So
you have some out there already.
I got to find some wire before we can continue on. So why don't you pause that and let me find some wire.
We're gonna pause.
Okay, we have the sensor, screwdriver, and a little dinky screw. I don't know if you can see that, but we're gonna just put that on the edge of the siding. I'm not real big about screwing into my siding, but it is a corner piece, so it'll be okay. About right here, I guess.
You're sure that'll hold it on, eh?
Positive. And we are going to need a drill.
I thought so.
All right, we have the drill. Found the hole. Took all of that. Now let's screw our screw in there and get on with it. The screw is so tiny, if I drop it, I'll never find it. Alright, let's see what we get. If I have it in far enough or not. You want it to rest tightly on there, of course. It doesn't want to blow away or something. Well, I think that's good enough.
Hope so.
Feels tight on here to me.
We'll find out.
Not, yeah, we will find out. It'll be gone. And, or it'll fall down, I guess. So that is our install. Hopefully it'll work. Hopefully it'll work better than the other one. The other one died. That's why we went to this one. This should make it easy to change the batteries and stuff. And it's right on the other side of the wall of the main unit, so it should be pretty accurate. Anyway, that's my little unboxing and install of the Acurite thermometer. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.